Francie, and we're 5th graders from Hunter College Elementary School.
And we wanted to test how the color of the light will affect the growth of a plant. As more people live in cities around the world, it is important to have a climate-friendly way to grow food for them all. Hydroponics is one of the solutions. We were curious about how lights worked in our hydroponic systems and if they could be made more effective.
Plants need water, light, and nutrients to grow. In this project, we focused on the light. Sunlight has a range of energy, including the visible light spectrum, made up of all the colors of the rainbow. We began to wonder, are all colors of light absorbed equally by the plant? Do they all use the colors of light for photosynthesis?
Photosynthesis is the process in which plants convert light, water, and carbon dioxide into chemical energy in the form of glucose. This process is fundamental to almost all forms of life on Earth. Photosynthesis provides the oxygen that we breathe and acts as a base for most food chains.
We settled on our testable question. Does the color of light affect the growth, color, taste, and texture of the plant? Our hypothesis was that the color of the light and that the plant is grown underneath will affect the plant's photosynthesis process, which will affect how the plant grows.
We planted gourmet lettuce seeds in Rockwool. We needed to figure out how we could change the color of the light for each individual plant without affecting all of our classmates' plants that were also growing in the NFT. So we created rectangles of colored cellophane that we staked into the rock wall to cover each plant. We grew the plants under different colored lights for 6 weeks and measured the height, width, and overall health of the plants.
We ran our experiment twice. The first time, the lettuce grown under the yellow cellophane grew slightly taller, slightly wider, and was thriving. Red came in a close second. In trial 2, we eliminated the green and orange light and focused only on the primary colors. At the end, we had the same results. Yellow had the most growth, and red was a close second.
Here we are holding 2 of the plants at the end of experiment 1. You can see how drastic the results are. This did not support our hypothesis that red and blue light would be best for plants, and it was not consistent with most of the published literature that we read, which stated that yellow is one of the worst colors to grow plants under. If we had time, we would continue to run this experiment and change different variables like the type of plant, or the light colors, or even change the setup to fully cover the plant in color.
Hydroponics is an efficient and climate-friendly way to feed people in urban areas. Knowing which colors of light grow the healthiest, fastest, and tastiest plants can help scientists and engineers make hydroponic systems even more effective. Thank you.
And a special thanks to our teachers,
Miss McCauley, Miss Amy, and Miss Abrams. Thanks for listening.